Hello viewers, hope you all are doing well. So our today topic is what is the best description for YouTube. So let's get started. Tips for the best YouTube channel description is: Number 1 is keyword research. Think of a one word that describes your channel the best. Number 2 is put keywords front and center. Number 3 is use complementary keywords throughout. Number 4 is tell viewers what to expect. Number 5 is offer value. And at last, number 6 is update channel tags. Hope that everyone understand what I said. So like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.